Welcome back to English Empire channel. Are you still connect tables manually in Microsoft Excel? Today I'm going to show you how easily you can connect multiple tables in Microsoft Excel using Power Pivot. You see I have all these tables. Now change it to one table. If you want to learn, watch to the end. Let's get started. I have 4 tables. Sales, it includes order ID, product ID, customer ID, date, and sales. This ID is very important. It works as a connector when you create a relationship in Power Pivot. Here we have products. As you see, we have product ID and product name and category, customer ID, customer name and status, and we have date. First of all, it's very important to clean the data. So select first data and Control Shift downward arrow to select all the data and Control T to make it table. Accepted. Okay. You can select the design of the table. I select this one. Now also change the name of the table. Name it sales. Okay. Good. Second one. Again select the data. Control T. Okay. Good. Change name to products. Good. This one, customer. Select this data. Control Shift downward arrow and Control T. Accept it. Okay. Name it customers. Okay. Date. Select it here. Control Shift downward arrow and Control T. Again, confirm it. Change it to date. Great. Now we are ready. Here we have Power Pivot. If you don't have Power Pivot, don't worry. From File, Options, Add-ins. From here, select it. COM Add-ins. Go. Tick Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Tick this one. Then OK. Now you have to have Power Pivot. Now, active Power Pivot. Come to First Table. Something is very important. To recognize the tables, the first row must show the titles. Here we have to have titles. The titles. First title, not column 1, column 2, column 3. Now we are ready. Come to here, select this one, Power Pivot, add to data model. Okay. Good. Minimize. Second one, select this, add to data table. Okay. Minimize again. Third one, add to data table. Minimize. Fourth one, add to data model. Now I added all the tables. Just let's see diagram view. This one. Good. Let's arrange it to see. As I told you, the IDs work as a connector. Now I can connect this product ID with this one. Yes. This customer ID with this one. And this date with this one. Good. Now let's create pivot table. Click this one. New worksheet. Okay. Expand. Expand this one also. This one and this one. Bring product name to the rows. Okay. That's product name to the row. For example, state to columns and sales amount to value. Good. Now you can select this and from home bring $sign. Okay. Also, you can add years here to filter. You see, here you can select different years. For example, I uncheck these years. Okay, only this data is only for 2020. Now you can analyze complex data easily and you can connect it multiple tables in one Excel sheet. That's all. Have a nice time.